Hi everyone, I'm Jason Fletcher at Fletchers Renovations, and I just want to show you the job that we're working on at the moment. We've made a start already, and I'll just flip the camera around and just to show you around. So what we've done so far is this is all way. We've hacked off all loose plaster on walls. All ceilings all the way through are going to be overboard and skim. Obviously a new door frame will be going in this one here. We're going to be taking this part of the wall down here and putting an RSJ above. This front room, we're in the middle of removing all plaster. We've still got lights to take down, skirtings to take off, and obviously we've got that bit to hack off. Fireplace is staying down in this room, and then we'll take a look in this one. So this is your second bedroom. In fact, sorry, that's the living room, but this is the either first or second bedroom, whichever way you want to go about it. Same again, overboard and skim ceilings, dot and dab all walls, possibly new windows all the way through, but that's to be discussed. Obviously radiators, we took all them off. This is bathroom in here, not special to look at in there, but obviously that we're leaving that as it is. So again, we took radiators off. Some walls in this room have been absolutely solid. So I always say if a wall's absolutely solid, it's got no visible cracks, it's probably not going to come off for a very long time. Obviously if the wall's alright-ish, then we can just sort of patch it up and just get a reskin, make it all nice, and most likely that skirting on. It just depends on what customer wants. But the rest of the room, more or less, all needs coming back to brick, overboard and skimped ceiling, sockets and cables. We've got an electrician come and have a look to make sure they're all safe, and he's going to test them. I think they're not too bad. It looks like a newish consumer unit, but we'll see. So that's this room. And if we walk in here, this is your dining room kitchen. So we've got all plaster to take off on the kitchen part. We've got the acros up, ready to install an RSJ. One's going across this way, and then there's going to be another one that's going across sort of that way, straight down to that corner, but that wall still needs to come out there. Ceiling needs lowering, insulating, and everything else. Everything boarding and skimming. This is the garage. What we need to do is install a door with two windows either side, like a patio kind of door. That's yet to be discussed, but that's the plans. And then we need to concrete floor, insulate it, put all his membranes down and everything. We need to board these walls. Most likely this wall here is going to have to be DPC because it's on single. There's no cavity, so it's just a single wall. So we're going to have to do something with that. Obviously new skirtings all the way around. New kitchen is going in, and that'll be going around here, around that wall. This wall won't be here, but the kitchen will sort of go all the way down. And obviously the doors going outwards. It might just be a single door, actually. I just need to have another look at the drawings. Obviously lowered ceiling, fire lined, insulated, plasterboarded and skimmed. And then in here, what we've done is took the chimney out from top to bottom, and it were a nightmare, absolute nightmare. We were proper, whoever built it made sure it wasn't coming out. You can see all the bricks and the rows of bricks are proper keyed in. So trust me, it was tough to get that out. Felt sorry for lads doing it, along with myself as well. Obviously just gas pipe here that needs changing, and that'll need redirecting, and the fireplace is going back in this wall for gas fire. Obviously pipe work here, we'll be running this straight up. This is where the staircase is going to go, sort of start down here and it's going to go straight up into that corner and then turn around going that way. I can't take you in Loft at the moment because I ain't got a light with me, but as you can see, that's the all-in roof at the moment where chimney went out. But that sort of area, that's where the dormer's going to be, the Velux windows. It's going to have a bathroom and 2 more bedrooms up there, so that'll be good. There's quite a big floor space up there, believe it or not. It measures 77 square metres, and you've got quite a lot of headroom, which is good for obviously doing conversion. Same again with this ceiling, taking coving down, no boarding, skimming ceiling, fire lining all the way around us, RSJs on every single one that we're going to put in. Boiler's staying where it is, and this door is having a PVC door, and then obviously we're going to plaster it up and make it look like new. Obviously this wall's coming out as well, so it's going to sort of, go mortar right, and that's it. Obviously put the skirtings on, new door frames, new architraves, make good outside on the garage when we take the door off, and start altering this lintel here. So this lintel needs rising up further up so that when the floor comes up to the damp DPC level, then the door will sit on top of that, and obviously that RSJ is kind of in the way, so we've got to take that out and move it up slightly, and obviously fit that. So it's a busy time, we've got quite a bit on, quite a lot to do, so I'm glad we started it. And obviously while we're doing this job, we're doing other projects as well, up and down Rotherham, Sheffield, Barnsley, Doncaster. We're all over the place. So that's it. I just thought I'd let you know. Sorry I've rambled on, but I just wanted to show you what we're on with and what we're doing. Alright, thanks for watching. See ya.